Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Today, we're diving into an essential yet often overlooked aspect of health, hydration. Staying hydrated is more than just drinking water, it's about optimizing your body's functions for energy, focus, and overall well-being. How often do you feel sluggish or get headaches during the day? It might surprise you that dehydration could be the culprit. Stick around, and I'll share some great tips and tricks to help you stay hydrated throughout the day. We'll explore the signs of dehydration, bust some common myths, and discover practical ways to make hydration a seamless part of your routine. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Why hydration matters. First, let's talk about why hydration is so important. Did you know that about 60% of our body is made up of water? Every single cell, tissue, and organ in your body relies on water to function properly. Think of it this way, water is like the oil in your car's engine. Without enough oil, the engine sputters, overheats, and eventually breaks down. Similarly, when you're dehydrated, your body struggles to perform even the simplest tasks. When you're dehydrated, even slightly, you might feel sluggish, get headaches, or even experience dizziness. Your concentration might waver, making it hard to focus on work or studies. Without enough water, your energy levels drop, your brain function slows down, and your physical performance suffers. You wouldn't drive your car without enough oil, so why treat your body any differently? Hydration isn't just about quenching your thirst, it's about fueling your body for optimal performance. Staying well hydrated helps your body regulate its temperature, transport nutrients, flush out waste products, and maintain electrolyte balance. So, next time you're feeling tired, sluggish, or unable to focus, reach for a glass of water before you reach for anything else. It's time to prioritize water and experience the incredible benefits it has to offer. Chapter 2. Signs of dehydration. Now that we understand the importance of hydration, let's talk about how to recognize when your body is telling you it needs more water. Our bodies are incredibly intelligent and have built-in mechanisms for communicating their needs. Dehydration is no exception. How do you know if you're dehydrated? The signs can be subtle at first, but if you pay attention, you'll learn to recognize them. One of the most obvious signs is thirst. When your body needs water, it triggers the thirst mechanism to encourage you to drink. But thirst isn't the only sign. Other common signs of dehydration include dry mouth, dark-colored urine, fatigue, and even mood swings. You might experience headaches, muscle cramps, or dizziness. These are all your body's ways of saying, hey, I need more fluids here. Here's the thing. We often ignore these signals or mistake them for something else. Ever felt extremely tired in the afternoon despite getting enough sleep? It could be dehydration. Next time, try drinking a glass of water instead of reaching for that extra cup of coffee. Pay attention to the color of your urine. Ideally, your urine should be a pale yellow color, like straw. If it's darker, like apple juice, it's a sign that you need to drink more water. Another telltale sign is dry mouth. By listening to your body and responding to its cues, you can stay ahead of the game and keep yourself feeling your best. Chapter 3. How much water do you need? So, we've established that staying hydrated is essential, but you might be wondering, how much water do I really need to drink each day? It's a common question, and the answer isn't always straightforward. You've probably heard the standard recommendation of 8 glasses or about 2 liters of water per day. While this is a good starting point, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The truth is, your individual water needs can vary, depending on several factors. Your activity level plays a significant role. If you lead an active lifestyle or have a physically demanding job, you'll need to drink more water than someone who's more sedentary. Exercise increases sweating, which depletes your body's water reserves. The climate you live in also matters. Hot and humid weather can lead to increased sweating, requiring you to drink more fluids to stay hydrated. Similarly, spending time at higher altitudes can also lead to fluid loss. Your body size and composition are other factors to consider. Generally, larger individuals and those with more muscle mass need more water than smaller individuals or those with a higher percentage of body fat. So how can you determine your optimal water intake? A good rule of thumb is to pay attention to your thirst cues and the color of your urine. If you're thirsty, drink water. If your urine is dark yellow, you need to increase your fluid intake. Another helpful tip is to spread your water consumption throughout the day. Staying hydrated is about finding what works best for you and your individual needs. Chapter 4: Best Ways to Stay Hydrated. Now that we've covered the why and how much of hydration, let's dive into some practical tips and tricks to make staying hydrated a breeze. Incorporating these simple strategies into your daily routine can make a world of difference. First and foremost, make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go. Having a visual reminder throughout the day can significantly increase your water intake. Choose a reusable bottle that you enjoy using and keep it filled up. Next, let's talk about food. Did you know that you can actually eat your water? Many fruits and vegetables have high water content and can contribute to your daily fluid intake. Watermelon, cucumbers, spinach, and strawberries are all excellent choices. Another helpful tip is to use hydration apps. There are numerous apps available that allow you to set reminders to drink water throughout the day. If you're someone who struggles to drink plain water, try infusing it with natural flavors. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries to your water bottle for a refreshing and flavorful twist. Herbal teas are another great option for staying hydrated without added sugar or calories. Make drinking water a part of your routine. Start your day with a large glass of water upon waking up to rehydrate your body after sleep. By incorporating these simple yet effective strategies into your daily life, you can make hydration a seamless and enjoyable part of your routine. Chapter 5: Hydration Myths Debunked. When it comes to hydration, there's a lot of misinformation circulating out there. Let's debunk some common myths and set the record straight. One persistent myth is that you must drink 8 glasses of water a day. While this is a good general guideline, it's not a hard and fast rule. As we discussed earlier, individual hydration needs vary, depending on several factors. Another common myth is that coffee dehydrates you. While it's true that caffeine has a mild diuretic effect, meaning it can increase urine production, moderate coffee consumption doesn't significantly impact your hydration levels. The fluid in coffee still contributes to your daily intake. Many people believe that only water can keep you hydrated. While water is the best choice for hydration, other beverages like herbal teas, milk, and even fruits and vegetables with high water content can also contribute to your fluid intake. Some people swear by sports drinks for hydration, even when they're not engaging in strenuous activity. However, sports drinks are typically high in sugar and electrolytes, which are only necessary to replenish after intense workouts. For most people, water is sufficient for everyday hydration. Remember, staying informed and separating fact from fiction is crucial for making healthy choices about your hydration. Chapter 6: The Best Times to Drink Water. Did you know that when you drink water can be just as important as how much you drink? Strategically timing your water intake can optimize your hydration levels and support various bodily functions throughout the day. Let's start with the morning. Drinking a large glass of water right after waking up is a fantastic way to rehydrate your body after hours of sleep. It helps flush out toxins, kickstart your metabolism, and promote regular bowel movements. Before each meal, aim to drink a glass of water. This simple habit can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices. It can also help you feel fuller, preventing overeating and supporting healthy weight management. If you're physically active, it's crucial to prioritize hydration before, during, and after exercise. Drink water before your workout to ensure you're starting hydrated. Sip water throughout your workout to replenish lost fluids through sweat. And rehydrate with water or an electrolyte-rich beverage after your workout to aid recovery. Incorporating these strategic hydration habits into your daily routine can make a world of difference in how you feel and function. Make it a habit to drink water at these optimal times and your body will thank you. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to staying hydrated for better health. Remember, prioritizing your water intake is one of the simplest yet most profound gifts you can give yourself. By understanding the importance of hydration, recognizing the signs of dehydration, and implementing the practical tips and tricks we've discussed, you're well on your way to experiencing the incredible benefits of a well-hydrated body. From increased energy and focus to improved digestion and glowing skin, the advantages are truly remarkable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.